One thing I said was that one of the most forgotten about resource is human resources, the people themselves. Now, if the disaster is large enough to affect a wide area, do you think that the employees are going to be showing up at work every day? They're going to be loyal to the company when their house has already been destroyed or their family's been injured? And that's something else that teams usually don't think about. They think that they've got to get back up and running, and their employees or whoever they need will be there. But if there's been a large enough disaster, the people have responsibilities to their family, and that's what they'll deal with first. So they may not be available to the company to start getting back to work. Now, there could be another missing piece, not only just the employees. We could actually lose, the CEO or CIO or somebody at top management.